Life's on. Nighttime fishing. Keep the. You're going good? Oh yeah.
You saw it jump out?
Yeah, got a nice fish. See if we can shine your torch where you are, Dale, so we get a bit more. Keep that rod up. Yep, keep it. Go slow, go slow. Let him tire, let him tire. Let him tire. Try and keep him away from. Let him tire. You're going good. All the other fish jumping out.
Here he comes.
Yeah, you got a big flatty, I'd say.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Nah, big brim. Trevally. Nice.
Got him? Yeah, got him net.
No, I haven't brought the net. Just drag him up. Just.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
Now go down and grab your leader and just pull him in. Let some line out. Yep. Now grab your leader.
That?
Yeah, and just pull him up on the beach.
Oh, he's good. Look
Oh,
at the
that's
size.
a nice
He's
size.
massive.
That is
He's
huge.
huge.
That's a lovely one.
Woohoo.
Let me wind mine in so I don't,
That's awesome.
and then I'll deal with that. That's a good size. Look at that, everyone.
Covered in sand. I told you there was a good fish touching it.
Yeah,
I didn't imagine it. I know. Look at that.
that's a nice Trevally.
That's better than what's his name today caught? What's his name?
I caught something like that in the morning.
Look at that. I finally redeemed myself after catching babies today. No, I'm happy with all that. There you go. Put the light on for you. He's good. Look how big that is. You got to eat this one. I'm happy.
No, I don't want to eat it. I don't like Trevally. Can you come closer to me, please?
I could. I just don't want to.
Just saves me.
It's heavy.
Oh, I didn't bring the rag, did we? Oh, did we or did we not?
You normally always have a rag in that bucket, but who knows? Here you go, honey.
That's a stonker.
Donka!
Look at the size of that, everyone. Hey,
He's covered in sand. He looks like
I'm
breadcrumbs.
trying to get over there, but my ankle's just not allowing me.
I can bring him to you. Look at that.
That's
Massive!
that's huge.
And he's fat.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Sorry, he's doing that to your lantern. I can't. And he's so heavy. Like he's really heavy. I'm so happy with that.
It's about 46.
Awesome.
Nice size.
Thank you.
Well done. 46 centimetre silver Trevally.
If you
Excellent.
rinse him off, you can see him better.
Ah,
Feel how heavy he is, see?